If you're looking to delete a Gmail account in 2026, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can do it safely and confidently. Just keep in mind, deleting your Google account is permanent, so this is something you'll want to do carefully after reviewing everything Google warns you about. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com/data-and-privacy. This takes you directly to the Google account section where your privacy and account settings are managed. Once the page loads, sign in with the Gmail or Google account you want to delete. If you're already signed in, Google may take you straight to the page. After that, scroll down toward the bottom of the page. You're looking for the option that says Delete your Google account. This is the section that starts the account removal process. Click on Delete your Google account to continue. At this point, Google may ask you to sign in again for security reasons. If that happens, just enter your password and continue. This extra step is normal because Google wants to confirm that it's really you making this change. Next, carefully read everything Google shows you about what will happen to your account. This part is very important because deleting your account can affect Gmail, Google Drive, Google Photos, YouTube, and any other services connected to that account. Take your time here and make sure you understand the consequences before moving forward. Once you've reviewed the information, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. You'll see a couple of confirmation boxes that you need to check. These boxes are usually there to confirm that you understand your account and data will be deleted. Check both boxes carefully. Then, when you're sure you want to proceed, click Delete Account. After that, Google will begin the deletion process and your account will be scheduled for removal. Just remember, this is the final step, so make sure you're absolutely certain before clicking it. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete a Gmail account in 2026. If this tutorial saved you time, please like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this one.